Hi there, Aiders! It's Luis here from Just8Ate.com. It, the movie, seems to have taken the world by storm this Halloween. The white-faced clown with red hair holding a red balloon was met with great reviews and much popularity, and we're sure we'll be seeing the costume a lot this season. While we weren't brave enough to watch the movie ourselves, we did give this It Frappuccino a try and love the combination as a less scary and more tasty Halloween treat. Even Pennywise will leave the sewer for this. Interested in giving this spooky, slushy beverage a try? If so, keep watching and cue the title card. Even Pennywise will leave the sewer for this. While Starbucks fans are still swooning over the Cinderella latte, this new Frappuccino has recently stolen some of the limelight. It is unknown who created the It Frappuccino, but it came into existence in 2017 in celebration of the first It movie. It has now made a viral reappearance in anticipation for the It Part 2 film. The drink is not officially part of any Starbucks menu by any means, but can easily be made through the customization options. Vanilla bean cream with strawberry puree.
So the vanilla bean frappuccino with strawberry.
Correct.
Is whipped cream okay on there?
Yes, please.
Will that be all for you?
Whether you're a fan of the It films or not, you're going to want to give this drink a try. Made with vanilla bean and strawberry, the Frappe reflects the colors of Pennywise the clown. As the drink is not part of the Starbucks menu, you can't just ask for an It Frappuccino. Instead, order any size of a cream-based vanilla bean frappuccino with strawberry puree on top. You can also request the puree to be added to the bottom for an extra scary effect. Sip on this sinister drink to celebrate It Part 2, or just because it's delicious. This Frappuccino will have you smiling bigger than Pennywise himself. As someone who doesn't drink Starbucks on the regular, I have to say this drink was quite good. Aside from the strawberry puree being overwhelmingly sweet to me, my only other trivial complaint would have to be how pricey the beverage is for the customization. I ordered the biggest cup, which is the venti size, and it cost me an arm and a leg of about $8 and change at the Phoenix Airport, which is also known as the Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport.
You're laughing because?
Because it tastes like a strawberry milkshake.
It tastes like a strawberry milkshake.
It does.
Oh, okay.
Very sweet.
Mmm.
We also tried another Halloween-inspired drink at Starbucks that you would have to try yourself if you like to explore your palate like we do. We hope we have expanded your mind with this It drink.
Whoa. This is like a dessert. This is like a dessert.
Strawberry milkshake. Overall, out of 5, I would have to rate it a 3.8 out of 5. My wife Judy Ann would rate this drink 3.5 stars due to the fact that it's extremely sweet.
Get a smaller size, like this size.
What size?
So regular. Okay.
If you're wanting to give this It drink a try, I recommend to order the drink in the size tall or grande. It's the blood from Pennywise's palate. Oops, sorry Ronald Dom. We're not just talking about any clown here. We're talking about Pennywise the clown from the movie It. Even Pennywise would leave the sewer for this. Definitely not a venti. That is unless you really get a kick out of sweet drinks. My wife Judy Ann and I flew to Phoenix, Arizona with my older brother and sister-in-law to catch a baseball game at Chase Field for the Arizona Diamondbacks versus San Diego Padres.
Awesome. Where are we going now?
We're going to the gate.
Okay.
And hitting the like button really helps with our
F1.
channel.
Let's go. Ooh, it smells so good. I can smell all the food.
Definitely stay tuned for that mukbang vlog if you're a baseball fan like us. As we enjoyed the baseball game between the Arizona Diamondbacks and the San Diego Padres, we then got our hands on a burrito just outside of Chase Field at a really hip taco joint called Willie's Tacos.
We can smell all the food. And we're so excited. Because, you know, we're just 8. We have to eat all the time. So, we're so excited we can smell all that food.
Making me salivate.
Salivate. Bleh.
We didn't experience any nightmares while we were here like Jack would from The Nightmare Before Christmas.
This way.
To your left.
If you love Jack from the Disney film The Nightmare Before Christmas that was directed by Tim Burton himself, then you're in for a real treat for that uploaded video. Definitely stay tuned for that video. Make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you can get all of our future notifications. Hitting the red subscribe button and hitting the like button really helps with our channel.
Hello, I found you. Thank you.
And remember what we like to say, make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you can get all of our future notifications.
Oh, it's a bunny. Let me see. Ah, this one's a ram.
Colorado.
Oh, his name is Colorado?
The bighorn sheep. Yep, this is Colorado.
Nice. Okay. So I'm like right here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Unfortunately, it was time for us to float back home. So there you have it. Treat yourself to the spooky but oh so sweet concoction and see what you think. Get it before it floats away.
Moving through the cabin shortly. Service. Moving through the cabin shortly.
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friend,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my 8ers. We'll see you in the next video.
see you in the next video.